got soul.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I wanna tell a novel on the title Synthropes by Aita Ikhodaro. Synthropes is a glimpse into several people's attempts to either their past. They are Tara with Stanley, Abena Ankara, and Natalia. Abena is filled with ambition and an impressive career, but she finds herself entangled in a torrid and dangerous affair. Tara is never-ending party of hedonistic fun, but her carefree life begins to unravel. Natalia is a beautiful model haunted by her dark memories, trying to persuade a rich oligarch to put the pieces of her life back together and destroy the darkness of her life. Seduced first by the luxury and extravagant parties of the men and their willingness to get drunk as often as possible, all this soon tries the dark undertones demanded by a glittering lifestyle. They mistake this for pursuing individual dreams and instead struggle with the consequences of their decisions. A tragic depiction of the depths of degradation that must be endured in the hope of a brighter tomorrow. Ultimately, we learn along with the main character that we only way to a brighter tomorrow is to take responsibility for our own happiness and sense of worth, while it usually takes someone else to demonstrate our worth. We need to defend it and make it our own. The story begins with Reza, an old playboy, inviting his best friends Tara and Abina to join him in an exclusive party on his Super Rex in Saint-Tropez. There they learn that they are only a small portion of the population of beautiful women invited to titled a relatively small faction of men. Here begins a tale of Tawardai encounters uncharacteristic behavior and addiction. Tara went with her boyfriend Domenico to Saint-Tropez. In Saint-Tropez, Tara was ignored by her boyfriend and started talking about other women in front of her. In the end, Tara ended her relationship with Domenico, who was having an affair with another woman. Also invited to the party is Natalia, a Latvian model who has escaped her haunted childhood and is looking for a very rich oligarch to fund her future. Natalia is determined to progress and is super competitive, so she stays away from things she considers competitions. Sometimes she invited the girls around her who had such friendly relationship. In the first two-thirds of the book, Natalia's story is told alongside Tara and Abina's, even though they are seen at some of the same parties and even they never actually met, which might not be a bad thing when you hear what they think about each other. Until the time came for them to meet in the right way, Natalia began to open herself more to the prospect of truly sharing a friendship. The party takes up most of the story, but but quickly makes up for the personal journeys we experience with our characters. These three girls embark on a path of the beginning of the novel towards their dream and future goals as they come close to achieving these dreams. These three girls realize that he glamorous jet setter lifestyles they want isn't actually that glamorous or desirable. Sometimes you really have to be careful what you wish for because things look different from the outside. Sarah is another important character, although her role in the story is not very prominent. She is Abina's chief old friend and an older woman who married at the young age of 22 due to a long-term relationship. When invited to the initial party by Abina, Sarah turns it down, voicing her disapproval of everything the party stands for. Then we witness Sarah also becoming infatuated with the luxurious lifestyle her new job brings. Sometimes humorous and moving tale, it is also a tragic smell a tragic style of the sinful seduction of the bright lights and carefree lifestyle, founded by the rich to the ultimate degradation of young women eager to please and feel the action. A fun read that is too believable and has some twists that this you with possibilities and avoid possible contradictions until the final reveal. In short, Tara eventually faced the consequences of her hedonistic lifestyle. Her life of parties and fleeting pleasures began to take a toll on her health, both physical and mental. Through various bitter experiences, Tara begins to realize that true happiness cannot be found in parties and a life of luxury. Although not explicitly stated in the synopsis, we can presume that Tara begins to seek a balance in her life and striving to find deeper meaning and purpose. And then Abina goes through a lot of difficulties in her dangerous and controlling relationship. In the end, she realized that the relationship was unhealthy and detrimental to her. The courage to leave the relationship showed Abina's personal growth and strength in the face of challenges. With the support of her friends, Abina begins to rebuild her life and seek a more stable and healthy happiness. And the final Natalia. Natalia, initially obsessed with finding an oligarch who can finance her future, finally faced the reality of her ambition and dreams. Her relationship with a rich man turns out to be less than she imagined, and she must face the consequences of her choices. Natalia learns that seeks happiness through other people and material wealth will not solve her inner problems. In the end, Natalia begins to work on coming to terms with her past and finding ways to build a more independent and emotionally fulfilling future. And I think enough for this uh, novel, and I hope you can get learn from this story. See you in the next novel. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.